If you are new to HubSpot as a customer support representative and you don't know where to begin, this video is for you. You're going to be learning the very first thing you need to know as a customer support representative using HubSpot, which is how to create and manage a support ticket. So by the end of this video, you will know how to create a ticket, associate it with the right contact, and respond to your customer all from HubSpot Service Hub. So without wasting time, let's get started. In your HubSpot account, use the left navigation menu and click Service. We'll be creating this ticket from the Service Hub because that is where you'll be spending most of your time as a customer support representative. Now, there's no difference between creating a ticket from the CRM and creating it from the Service Hub. They both create the same ticket. The only reason why we're using the Service Hub is that is the workplace designed especially for customer support representatives, which makes it the most convenient place to manage and respond to customer issues. Okay, so now from the left hand menu, click on Service and then select Help Desk. Next, click the plus icon at the top of the Help Desk and choose Create Ticket. And the ticket creation form will be displayed. So this is where you enter all the details about the support request you've just gotten. But keep in mind that the properties that you're seeing on your ticket form may be a little bit different from the one you're seeing in my HubSpot account right now. And that is because HubSpot properties can be customized and different companies collect different information when creating a ticket. And also, if you're not sure about what a property is in HubSpot, don't worry, I already created a video talking about all that. So I'm going to leave the link to it in the description. In my HubSpot account right now, I have properties such as the ticket name, the pipeline, the ticket status, ticket description, ticket source, and ticket owners. You may also see additional properties, and that is completely normal. Okay. The first property we'll fill out is a ticket name. Your ticket name should clearly describe the customer issue so that anybody on your team can immediately understand what that ticket is all about. For this example, let's imagine that we are a software company and then one of our customer named David wants to upgrade a subscription plan. He has completed the payment, but the upgrade did not go through. So he contacted our support team. Now, a good ticket name would be something like subscription upgrade payments not processed or unable to upgrade subscription plan. Looking at this name, it will make it easy for anybody in your team to understand what the ticket is all about without having to ask the user who created the ticket. I don't know if you get that. Next, fill in the required information about the customer issues, such as the pipeline, the status, description, and any other property your company might require. Now, when it comes to associating the ticket with the customer, there are two ways to go about it. The first method is when you're actually creating the ticket. Some HubSpot accounts include an association section directly on the ticket creation form, which will allow you to like search for the contact and then associate the ticket before you create it. And for the second method, after creating the ticket, you have to open up the ticket record timeline and then associate the right contact with the ticket. In this tutorial, I will show you both methods so you can follow along regardless of how your HubSpot account is customized. Okay, for the first method, looking at my ticket creation form here in my HubSpot account, I do have an association section on the form. So I'm simply just going to click search under the associated records in my ticket form. Then I will find and select the contact who submitted the support ticket. If your account uses association label as well, you can choose the appropriate label. If it doesn't, you can like simply skip this step. And if the contact is already associated with a company record, HubSpot will automatically associate the company with the ticket as well. So you don't need to do that manually. Once you're done, click create ticket. Now, if you did not see any association section on your ticket form, don't worry, you can still associate the ticket after it has been created. Simply open the ticket you've just created. On the right hand side of the ticket record, scroll down until you find the contacts card and then click the plus button. Then choose existing record and search for the contact who reported this issue. Then select the contact and then click next. The same thing goes here. You can simply add an association label if you have one in your account. Otherwise, simply just click a save and your ticket is now associated with the correct contact. Now that we've created the ticket and then also associated with the right contact, let's see how to respond to that customer still using the Service Hub in HubSpot. So from your help desk, click on all open to view all your open support tickets. Since we just created this ticket and the status is new, you would find it in your list of open tickets. Click on the tickets to open the record timeline. Once the ticket is open, to reply to the customer, scroll down to the Respond Composer at the bottom of the ticket timeline. Here you can choose how you would like to communicate with the customer depending on how your help desk is configured. Okay. You may see options such as email, call, or maybe any other communication channel. For this example, we will reply using an email. So select email and then type in your response to the customer, review your message, and then click send. And that is it. You've successfully learned how to create a support ticket associated with the right contact and also respond to your customer using HubSpot Service Hub. So if you're just getting started with HubSpot as a support representative, this is one of the very first things you need to know in HubSpot. Let me know if there's any other thing you want to learn about HubSpot as a customer support representative in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more HubSpot tutorial. I would see you in the next one.